Hello, everyone. Welcome to Dr. Manha English Channel. We are very happy that you are here with us today.
This channel is made especially for people who want to learn English in a simple, easy, and practical way.
If you are a beginner, do not worry. We use slow English, simple words, and real-life conversations so you can understand easily and improve step by step.
Every episode of this podcast helps you learn English used in daily life. We talk about situations that people face every day, such as shopping, traveling, meeting people, and many other useful topics.
Today's episode is very interesting and very useful, especially for people who love traveling.
Today, we will learn how to speak English at hotels.
Yes, when you travel to another country, you often stay in a hotel.
In the hotel, you need to talk to the receptionist, ask questions, request services, and solve problems.
Many people feel nervous when speaking English in these situations, but do not worry. In this episode, we will practice real hotel conversations in simple English.
Together, we will practice useful sentences that you can use when you stay at a hotel.
So relax, listen carefully, and practice speaking with us. Let's begin our English learning journey.
Hello, Manha.
Hello, Umair.
Today, I arrived at a hotel.
That sounds exciting. Are you traveling?
Yes, I am visiting another city.
Great. When you arrive at a hotel, the first thing you do is check in.
Yes, that is true.
Let's practice a conversation at the reception desk. Good evening. Welcome to our hotel.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Umair Khan.
Thank you, Mr. Umair. Let me check your booking.
Sure.
Yes, I found your reservation. You booked a room for 2 nights.
Yes, that is correct.
May I see your ID, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Your room number is 205.
Thank you very much. Manha, sometimes guests want to know about hotel facilities.
Yes, that is very common.
For example, they may ask about Wi-Fi.
Yes, Wi-Fi is very important.
Let's practice. Excuse me, is there free Wi-Fi in the hotel?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free.
Great. What is the password?
The password is written on your room card.
Thank you.
Many hotels provide breakfast.
Yes, travelers often ask about breakfast time.
Let's practice.
Excuse me, what time is breakfast?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Where is the restaurant?
The restaurant is on the first floor.
Thank you very much. Sometimes guests need extra things in their room.
Yes, like towels or water.
Let's practice that. Hello, this is room 205.
Yes, how can I help you?
Can I have 2 extra towels, please?
Of course, we will send them to your room.
Thank you very much.
Let's learn some important hotel words.
Hotel, reservation, reception, room, key, Wi-Fi, breakfast, restaurant, check-in, check-out.
These words are very useful when you travel.
I have a reservation.
I would like to check in.
Where is my room?
What time is breakfast?
Can I have extra towels?
Thank you for your help.
Manha, do you have any tips for travelers?
Yes, I have 3 simple tips.
What are they?
Tip 1. Speak slowly. Tip 2. Use simple sentences. Tip 3. Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Those are great tips.
When you travel, people usually understand simple English.
So, confidence is important.
Now, listeners, imagine you are at a hotel. Try answering these questions. 1. Do you have a reservation? 2. What is your name? 3. How many nights will you stay? 4. What time is breakfast? 5. Can you ask for Wi-Fi?
Manha, sometimes guests have heavy luggage.
Yes, and they may ask the hotel staff for help.
Let's practice that conversation. Excuse me, can you help me with my luggage?
Of course, I will send someone to help you.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Sometimes guests forget their room key.
Yes, that happens a lot.
Let's practice.
Hello, I lost my room key.
No problem. What is your room number?
My room number is 205.
I will give you a new key.
Thank you. Manha, sometimes the air conditioner does not work.
Yes, guests may need help.
Hello, the air conditioner in my room is not working.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
Can someone fix it?
Yes, our technician will come soon.
Thank you very much.
Many hotels provide room service.
Many hotels provide room service. Hello, I would like to order food.
Sure, what would you like?
I would like a sandwich and tea.
Okay, your order will arrive in 20 minutes.
Thank you.
Hotels also provide cleaning services.
Yes, this is called housekeeping. Excuse me, can you clean my room?
Yes, housekeeping will clean your room.
Thank you.
Guests often call reception from their room.
Yes, let's practice a phone conversation. Hello, this is room 205.
Yes, how can I help you?
I need an extra pillow.
Of course, we will send one.
Thank you.
Let's learn more hotel words.
Reception, lobby, room service, housekeeping, elevator, keycard, reservation, guest, manager, receptionist.
These words are very useful when traveling.
I have a hotel reservation.
I would like to check in.
My room number is 205.
Can I get an extra towel?
I need help with my luggage.
Thank you for your service.
Manha, many learners feel shy when speaking English.
Yes, but they should remember something important.
What is it?
People around the world understand simple English.
So, perfect grammar is not necessary.
Exactly.
Confidence is more important.
Yes, just speak clearly and politely. Now we have a small challenge for our listeners.
Imagine you are at a hotel. Try to answer these questions in English. What is your name? Do you have a reservation? How many nights will you stay? What time is breakfast? Can you ask for extra towels?
Try speaking these answers out loud.
Speaking aloud improves fluency.
Manha, sometimes guests need help finding the elevator.
Yes, especially in big hotels. Let's practice a conversation.
Excuse me, where is the elevator?
The elevator is on your left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Guests also ask hotel staff about places in the city.
Yes, like restaurants, parks, or shopping malls.
Excuse me, can you recommend a good restaurant?
Yes, there is a nice restaurant near the hotel.
How far is it?
It is about 5 minutes away.
Thank you very much.
Sometimes guests need transportation.
Yes, they may ask the hotel to call a taxi. Excuse me, can you call a taxi for me?
Yes, the taxi will arrive in 5 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sometimes guests are not happy with their room.
Yes, maybe the room is noisy.
Hello, can I change my room?
May I ask why?
The room is very noisy.
I understand. Let me check another room for you.
Thank you.
When guests leave the hotel, they must check out.
Yes, they also pay the bill. Let's practice. Hello, I would like to check out.
Sure, what is your room number?
Room 205.
Your total bill is $120.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Let's learn more useful words for hotels.
Lobby, reception, guest, reservation, room service, housekeeping, elevator, taxi, restaurant, checkout.
Try to remember these words.
I have a reservation.
I would like to check in.
Can you help me with my luggage?
What time is breakfast?
Can you call a taxi?
I would like to check out. Now, let's do a short role play.
Good idea.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel.
Hello, I have a reservation.
What is your name?
My name is Umer.
Your room is ready.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay. Manha, many travelers feel nervous speaking English.
Yes, but remember something important.
What is it?
People around the world speak different types of English.
So, perfect English is not necessary.
Exactly.
Simple English works everywhere.
If you want to improve your English, do 3 things every day.
What are they?
1. Listen to English. 2. Speak English. 3. Learn new words.
Even 15 minutes daily can help.
Yes, consistency is the key.
Manha, sometimes guests need drinking water.
Yes, that is very common. Let's practice.
Hello, can I have a bottle of water?
Yes, we will send it to your room.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Sometimes hotel rooms feel cold.
Yes, guests may ask for extra blankets. Hello, this is room 205.
Yes, how can I help you?
Can I get an extra blanket, please?
Of course. We will bring it soon.
Thank you. Manha, what if the Wi-Fi is not working?
Good question. Let's practice.
Hello, the Wi-Fi in my room is not working.
I'm sorry about that.
Can you help me?
Yes, I will reset the connection.
Thank you. Breakfast is an important part of hotel service.
Yes, many guests ask about breakfast. Excuse me, is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included. What time does breakfast start?
It starts at 7 a.m.
Thank you. Let's learn more useful words.
Blanket, pillow, water, Wi-Fi, breakfast, lobby, reception, guest, service, room key.
Practice these words every day.
I need a bottle of water.
I would like an extra blanket.
My Wi-Fi is not working.
What time is breakfast?
Can you help me, please?
Thank you for your help. Let's do another role play.
Good idea. Good evening. How can I help you?
Hello, I need an extra pillow.
Sure, I will send one to your room.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Manha, do you have a travel tip for English learners?
Yes, when you travel, always use polite words.
Like please and thank you?
Exactly.
Polite English makes communication easier.
Now it is your turn to practice. Answer these questions in English. 1. What is your name? 2. Do you have a hotel reservation? 3. What is your room number? 4. What time is breakfast? 5. Can you ask for extra towels?
Try to answer these questions aloud. Speaking practice builds confidence.
Dear listeners, learning English takes time.
Yes, but every day you improve.
Even small practice helps a lot.
Listening to podcasts is a great way to learn.
And speaking out loud helps your pronunciation.
Dear friends, thank you so much for spending your time with Dr. Manha English Channel.
Today, we continued learning English used in hotels.
These conversations help travelers communicate clearly and confidently.
English becomes easier when you practice real-life situations.
When you travel, you will feel more comfortable speaking English with hotel staff.
Remember something important. Learning English is not a race. It is a journey.
Every word you learn, every sentence you practice, and every conversation you hear helps you improve step by step.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
The most important thing is practice and confidence.
If you enjoyed today's podcast, please support Dr. Manha English Channel.
And like this video, write a comment in English, share this podcast with your friends, subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel.
Your support helps us create more simple and powerful English learning podcasts for students around the world.
Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving your English every day.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you in the next episode.